Cheers and welcome to Reality Brewing. Yes, I had to share this with you. Okay, I don't have it to show you, so I'm gonna show you some stuff in front of my face. But yes, the Pinter just came out with Shadow and Cream Bundle. You heard me right, it's a special bundle. And it is for the Pinter, it is a limited edition, it is 5.4%, it is an Irish cream stout. And yeah, I got links below. They're not affiliate links, they're tracking links, because the more people check things out and do things, they're gonna send me more stuff to share with you. That's right, we're gonna brew more stuff, share it with you. And did you just say you don't have a Pinter? Why? Oh, you brew a lot on 5 gallons. This is cheap and it's fun. It's just fun. You could even do some of your own custom brews in here. It's just fun. It's 188 ounces. Oh wait, you've never brewed before and you're not sure you can brew? Come on, it's super easy. And I've got a lot of people reaching out to me going, oh my gosh, hey, I bought one just so I can spend more time with my stepdad or my uncle or my grandpa. Those are the big ones I've been hearing. Yeah. I mean, you get to spend some time together brewing it. Then when it's done brewing, about a week, 2 weeks later, you're like, hey, it's done. You want to come over and have some? And they're like, sure. Free beer or beer that you already made or whatever, or they got to make it and they're excited to check it out. This one's sitting at 5.4%. You've got dark chocolate, you have espresso, you have a creamy Irish, kind of like the Irish cream. Oh yeah, vanilla, of course, like I said, chocolate. 5.4%, super drinkable. I mean, and the glasses are custom glasses just for this release. It's called Shadow and Cream Bundle. It is an Irish stout. So it's gonna have a little hint of sweet, a little hint of bitter. It's gonna have that coffee. You know, it's gonna have a little bit of everything going on the dark side. You know, what's that? Come to the dark side, we have cookies. Don't know if you've seen that one. But yeah, so the Pinter's coming out with that. I'm very excited. They're gonna send me one. I'm gonna get it brewed. I'm gonna share it with you, but I might not get it done in time for the limited release. So I want to make sure that you're aware so you can grab one while you can. I'll leave links down below everything. It's not an affiliate link. They're tracking links so they can see how things are going. That's all it is. I'm not getting a kickback. I am getting kits, and the kits I am brewing and I am sharing them with you. Sorry, I can't share a pint with you, but I'm just saying. Don't forget, like, subscribe, keep sharing. Appreciate the sharing. That's been huge last year. You're talking like almost 1,000 shares from these videos. That really helps the channel. We're trying to hit 10K this year. Pinter's helping us get there. And like I said, 5.4%, 5.4 is really, really sessionable. And I love dark chocolate. I like espresso. Probably shouldn't drink so much caffeine, but I don't think there's any caffeine involved here. Cheers. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and hey, definitely share. I mean, the subscribe isn't hit. Go ahead, hit that for me. I appreciate that. Cheers. Happy St. Paddy's Day.